Hey everybody, Jason from Auto City Imports here. Today we're going to be doing a rear wiper delete on a 4G Eclipse. We're doing this to get ready for louvers, so if you are watching the louver install video, we've referred you to this video first so you can actually delete the rear wiper so we can put those louvers on. You can also watch this video to learn how to replace your wiper motor if it went bad, or if you just want to delete it for fun because you don't like it, this is the video for you. What you're going to need for this is a pry bar, a 10mm ratchet socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, a block of wood, and more importantly, before you start this, you're going to need a delete block. So when we take this out, there's going to be a hole there and you have to plug it. So this is what that does. It's got rubber O-rings on it. It fits right in there, screws down, and tightens up so no water can get in there. It's called a delete block. You can get these on Amazon, eBay, wherever you want. We picked one up off of Amazon. They run about 25 bucks. So make sure you have this in hand before you do this. That way you don't just have a hole in your trunk. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take this wiper off. And what you're going to want to do is put this block of wood back here and then get right under the lip of this, and it'll pry this door open. It's kind of like a door. It gets stuck here. It's kind of hard to do it by hand. You do it with a pry bar, it comes off real easy. That's going to reveal a 10mm nut below it. You're going to want to go ahead and take that nut off. It should come off real easy because it's protected. And once you do that, this is held on by a pressure spline. So you have to be careful, but it's also going to be a lot of force to try to pry this up. Use your block of wood so you don't damage the paint. Get underneath here and you're going to want to pull up. It's going to pop, it's going to probably scare you, but it will come off. I may do it from both sides here just so I don't damage anything. Oh, see? It popped off, it scared me, but there it is. After you open the trunk, the first thing you're going to have to do is take this panel off. You'll have two Phillips head screws here that come out, and then it will just kind of come out. It's all pressure clipped in after that. So it'll just pop right down once you get these two out. I usually grab it around right here underneath the lip, and you pull down towards you. And there it is. So it just pops right out. It's in there pretty tight, but then it pops out. And that will reveal your motor and everything right here. Okay, so once you reveal your motor, you can see that you have three 10mm bolts here that you'll want to take off. They should be nice and easy because they've been hidden and protected underneath here. And you also have one plug for your electrical that you need to undo, which is very easy. It's right here. There's a little push down clip right there. It comes right out. And now this motor is what's holding in the grommet on the top. So it's not going to fall out per se because it's still stuck in there with the grommet. But once you get all three out, you'll just pull on it, it'll come loose and come right out. So there is that. And then you can see the grommet here. Just reach around the top, pull this through, and there you go. And then you take your delete block that you purchased, and it comes with a top and a bottom with O-rings. I'll try to show you here. So this is the bottom with the O-ring here, and then the top has an O-ring as well, and it just says K-Moon on it. And then it comes with a stud and a nut. Now I've already installed this on another hatch, and I actually flopped my hatches out, which you guys didn't know. So I've already put this together. But so the top part with the logo on it will go over the hole on the top. This part will go on the bottom. And then that stud will go in. Thread in. And then the 10 millimeter will tighten it down. Now it matters to you where it actually, like the letters are. But once you're done with that, you are all done with your wiper delete. You just have to put the thing back on here. And I won't put it on because I want to show you. I'm going to close it. But there it is, all completed on a very dirty hatch that I need to clean. Oh boy. But that's what it looks like now with the rear wiper delete. Nice and easy.